Alright, today's the day. We're gonna install our suspension for the Chevy. Early morning today, and it's already fucking hot. God damn. It is 7 o'clock. It's already 7, what the fuck? I don't think nothing should fall. I hope not. If anything, everything will just be swinging around. I'll wrap that. So, nice work. Damn, it's been a while since I recorded. No, that's not a check engine light. Wait a second, connecting my phone. On the way to go pick up my girlfriend. She go texting me. Make sure to turn those on. I'm super hungry. Bro, I'm starving. I woke up like around 6 a.m. 6:30, I showered, then we're here. I loaded literally the parts literally before I started. Like, let me load this shit in. I added this shit in my truck. The camera, the backup camera thing. Oh, let's see how to focus. Whoop, I didn't mean to do that. That's the front, that's the back. It's cool, it works cool. It works, and obviously it's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. So when it rained, it kind of fucked up, but it works. Everything still works. I blow dried everything. I'm waiting for her. Alright, I'll catch you guys. Damn! Oh my gosh, almost hit me. I'll catch you guys when we're either on the way. We're back, guys. We finally made it to El Monte. El Monte? No, not El Monte. I mean Montclair. We're 5 minutes away. 5 minutes out. We gotta be at 9 o'clock. We grab food. We grab McDonald's. Where is he? Ted is with us. He's just in his own car. Is that a Frenchie? Look at that Frenchie standing guard. Jeez. Man, I thought he was gonna be here with that big dog. Look, the fireworks. Damn, we already got that back so fast, huh? We didn't even see the other one that was over there. No, that was the one, the first one you showed me, didn't you? The turning lane, bruh. Fuck the turning lane. Go straight. Hey, yo. Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday.
Taco Friday.
It's Taco Tuesday. British people say Tuesday. Like you chewing something? Tuesday. You can't see Ted. Ted's probably over there in the back eating, so. He was behind us, but I had to be away from the fucking rock truck, because that shit says stay 200 feet away. Not responsible for any broken windshields. Like, alright. And now I ain't trying to be behind that. Alright, 2 minutes out. Damn, they easy. Ted.
Stayed all the way back.
That motherfucker's munching, man. He munching. Alright. Okay. Damn, where the fuck is he?
Was he munching already?
Probably gonna get there before us, honestly. He knows his ways out here, especially because he get retuned over here. He gets retuned in Rancho Cucamonga. Cucamonga. Just sounds funny. See, they're not here. The ferry, we would have been seen that. The other one was by that Big Lots.
Oh,
Alright. Damn, the STG. They got a Hellcat. That's a Hellcat right there. Green Hellcat. Oh, I thought that was him right there, look. It's a Nissan Altimers.
Hey.
It's right here. Oh, there it is. Damn, they're already open up and everything. I don't know what he said. Ted said, driving and eating. Told you that motherfucker. Alright, we got the truck back. This is the final reveal. 4 inches in the front. 6 inches in the back. Thanks to Ted for bringing me. Because I didn't think this shit was going to take the whole day. This is how she sits. God damn, that shit look crazy. Alright, we're gonna head out. We're gonna head back home. We have like a whole hour to get back home. Now, I'm gonna take this off. What that back? Dude. Troy feels so tiny. Feels good though.
Finally, after the whole thing.
You know, right here, hold this.
Finally get to go home. We're gonna get there like at 9 though.
Yeah.
Sadly.
I'm gonna plug my phone. I need some charge. I think I messed my steering on there.
This is where we got it done.
Westbelt. Shout out to Westbelt. Westbelt Suspension. I'll put their link so you check them out. If you ever need like Chevy or Ford, oh, you hear it.
What happened?
That's the scrape.
It was scrapes?
Yeah.
Why?
Because my tires are too short.
You need bigger ones?
Turning feels crazy. Yes. Damn, the stereo looks crazy too. Everything feels crazy in this.
It doesn't really feel lowered though.
Oh my god, who the fuck drove my truck? They moved all my mirrors.
And he only went
Oh no,
around.
this is just how.
Just because it's lowered.
No, yeah, literally, because.
Did you put directions on?
No.
You're too excited. You don't even know what to do.
I can't even.
Think.
Yeah, literally. We're gonna stop it at 5 minutes.
Looks nice though.
Yeah, look at that supercharger. Sheesh. Damn. Yo, this shit feels good. I was so happy. I don't know how to react.
You don't know what to think.
Dude, this shit just feels insane. It doesn't feel real.
Feels like a dream.
Literally. Oh, Q60. Sorry.
Are you gonna record when you get home, or you're gonna stop right now?
I'm gonna stop right now and then show you guys a little bit more tomorrow or today.
We'll show you guys tomorrow or today when we get home. Let's see if it's not too dark.
Yeah. See ya.
Bye, guys.